Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on indices and multiplication worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the topic of indices and multiplication. There is a lesson on this particular topic, so if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide the link will direct you, and if you click on that link it'll take you straight to the lesson and it will explain how to do these examples. So the index laws govern what we do in this particular case, and basically the rule is as follows. If you're multiplying two terms together, for example like those two, 7 here is the base and 7 is the base, so the bases are the same. So there is a law which governs what you do with the indices, and that's explained in the lesson. Here we're multiplying two terms together. The two bases are the same. They are the two indices. And if we follow the simple rule as displayed in the lesson, you'll be able to write the answer. This one is slightly different because you have the numbers here in front. They're called coefficients. So in the lesson it also explains what to do with those. Here we have three terms multiplied together. Now you remember that if you have a letter and there's no index up here, we know it's a 1. You already know that. Over here it's a little bit different because we've got different letters. Just work with them in pairs, okay? Because here you have an E and an E, a H and a H, so just do those in pairs and you'll get the answer. It's exactly the same here, except you have to look at that one and that one, and when you've done those two, then you look at this one and that one. And it's exactly the same for all the rest. So as you get down here, for example, it's a little bit different. You've got 2, 2 and 2. You just look at, always focus on the terms with the same bases, and then you apply the rule that's in the lesson. It's exactly the same here. Don't forget you're allowed to multiply the coefficients together, okay? And it's exactly the same here. Doesn't matter how many letters you have, focus on the letters that are the same, and then you know what to do with the indices. So this video has presented a worksheet on the index laws, and the index law for this particular worksheet excuse me, tells you exactly what to do to solve each of these examples. And if you need any help, on the next slide you'll be directed to click on a link and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples.